yeah. So, as some of you may know, I'm a fan of spicy foods, typically hot sauce. But I saw this online. It's the Fuego Spice Coco Loco Choco Challenge. It says warning, extremely spicy. Apparently it is spicy chocolate infused with the Black Reaper pepper, which is, I think it's an unreleased pepper. $5 goes to the Prostate Cancer Foundation, so I'm basically a hero. You're welcome, everybody. It says, it's basically just a chocolate bar, but you can see it says, you must be loco to consume this cocoa. So, I don't know. Take it out. It's a gold bar, little spicy guy on the back. Oh, it says last chance to turn back. Well, not gonna do that. I don't have anything, I don't have any ice cream or milk, so this could be a terrible decision, but whatever, fuck it. I'm gonna try it anyway, see if I can not look like a total bitch. Let me try to open this up. Seal's broken. See? Oh, fuck. God damn it. It smells spicy. Also looks like, what the fuck is that? Okay, fuck. Ugh. Alright, anyway, well, for your enjoyment, gross. Spicy chocolate. This seriously tastes terrible. Trying to chew it up for maximum burn. It's starting to hit. That was truly awful. I can't think of... Oh. Mm-mm. I can't think of much worse things to infuse spice with than chocolate. I may have just ruined chocolate for the rest of my life. God, when I was chewing it, I was feeling really confident, like it wasn't gonna be a big deal. Holy shit! But it's a builder. Still building. These are tears of joy and not from the spice. Oh my god. So yeah, I guess I'm saving lives, which is probably good, but wow. This sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It's, my head's vibrating and my hands are vibrating. It's still getting hotter, which, it's been a couple minutes, so I'm kind of surprised. I may have a heart attack. This may be my last video. I'm sweating and crying. I'm just thinking about all the wonderful things in my life. I'm overwhelmed by gratitude. I'm literally, my body is like vibrating. Whew. Ooh, I kind of already feel it working its way through my system. The rest of this video might be on the toilet. Oh my God. I don't know why I do this. I convince myself I like spicy, and I do. I do these challenges, and then I realize I'm human. It's a thing.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Well, I've definitely got over the worst of it, but it still fucking sucks. Well, that was the fuck is it called? The hashtag chocolate challenge. Coco Loco by Fuego Spice Co. Very phonetically pleasing. My taste buds are probably ruined. That chocolate, by the way, it's awful. It's like, I don't, like, make a sauce, you know what I mean? Make a sauce and you put on a chicken wing. Why the fuck would you make chocolate spicy? It doesn't make any fucking sense. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, my face has stopped vibrating. I feel like the worst of it is over. Signing off, I suppose. Like and subscribe. I'll link this in the description if anybody feels like they also want to ruin chocolate and their night. Thanks for watching.